In this video, you'll learn how to share a Notion page with others effectively. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand how to configure sharing options and manage access for your Notion pages. Begin by navigating to the Notion website and signing into your account. Once you are logged in, locate the specific page you intend to share. It is essential to ensure that the content on the page is finalized and ready for others to view. Additionally, confirm that you have the necessary sharing permissions for this page before proceeding. Next, look for the Share menu located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this menu to open the sharing options. Here you will have the choice to add people by entering their email addresses directly or to generate a shareable link. When adding individuals, take the time to set permission levels appropriately, ensuring that you grant the correct access rights based on how you want others to interact with the content. After configuring the sharing options, it's important to review the access settings thoroughly. This will help you can view or edit the page. You can choose from various permission levels such as can view, can comment, or can edit. Make sure to select the option that aligns with your sharing intentions, as this directly affects the visibility and interaction capabilities of the page. Once you've finalized the sharing settings, you may want to notify the users you have added. If you are uncertain about whether they can access the page properly, consider testing the access yourself by using a different account. You can always update permissions later if needed. Additionally, keep an eye on the activity within the page to ensure that everything is functioning as expected. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.